English together.
Conversation 1.
Can I have a cookie? Can I have a cookie?
Sure.
Thank you. Can I have a cup of coffee too? Can I have a cup of coffee too?
Of course. Do you like chocolate chip cookies?
Yes, they are my favorite. What about you?
I love them too.
Conversation 2.
Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book?
Which one do you need?
The one about space. I really like it.
Great choice.
Can I also ask you a question? Can I also ask you a question?
Of course. What do you want to know?
How do you solve this math problem?
I can help with that.
Conversation 3.
Can I join you for lunch? Can I join you for lunch?
Of course. I'd love that.
Thanks. What are you eating?
I have a sandwich and some fruit.
That sounds good. Can I have some fruit too? Can I have some fruit too?
Sure. I have apples and bananas.
I'll take an apple, please.
Here you go.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.